Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics so adjustments matter. Charge both Indy buds and the case above 50%, then pair to your phone. Once paired, open the Skullcandy app to verify firmware. Updates can raise performance and unlock audio controls. While in the app, check the EQ preset. You'll change it soon. Also inspect and gently clean the mesh and ear tips because a bad seal or debris muffles sound. Fixing that first avoids chasing phantom volume problems. Now you dive into sound shaping. Open the app equalizer and raise mids and highs by 2 to 4 decibels to increase perceived loudness without clipping. Once done, make sure your phone or player has volume limiters off and any adaptive audio or noise reduction features disabled because they can auto-attenuate peaks. Next, switch between presets and perform quick A/B tests at moderate volume. Listen for distortion. If present, back off the gain and tweak EQ to favor clarity over sheer level. Finish by validating results across sources. Play high bitrate tracks and various apps to ensure consistent louder output. Some apps have their own limits. If volume is still low, unpair and reset the indies, then repair and reinstall the Skullcandy app to clear glitches. Make sure ear tips are correct size for a tight seal. If you still hear weak output or distortion after these steps, document behavior and contact Skullcandy support or pursue warranty repair, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.